Hello students, we were doing our chapter trigonometric ratios. Students, in our previous video we did 6 trigonometric ratios and their tables. Okay, and today we will do some questions of this exercise. So our question number 5 of this exercise, that we have to find the value of 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sin square 30 degree minus 10 square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 40 degree. Students, to solve this question, firstly we have to know values of cos 60, sin 30, tan 45 by the table. Okay, then we can do this question easily. So firstly, what is the value of cos 60? Value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. And now value of sin 30. Since we know that sin 30 is equals to cos 60. So value of sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. Now value of tan 45, that is equals to 1, and value of sin 30 1 by 2, and value of cos 45. Value of cos 45 is equals to 1 upon square root 2. Okay, so these are the values. Now we will put these values in this question and we get our answer. So firstly, 5 cos 60 1 by 2. So cos square 60, so square of 1 by 2. Okay, plus value of sin 30 1 by 2. So this is sin square 30. So square of 1 by 2. Now tan square 45. So square of 1. Okay, now sin square 30. So square of 1 by 2 plus cos square 45. So square of square root of 1 by square root of 2. Okay, so these are the values. Now we will solve this. 5 into 1 upon 4 plus 4 into 1 upon 4 minus 1. Okay, now 1 upon 4 plus square of 1 upon square root of 2, that is equals to 1 upon 2. Now 5 into 1 upon 4, that is equals to 5 upon 4. 4 into 1 upon 4, that is equals to 4 upon 4 minus 1 upon 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Now 5 upon 4, 4 upon 4, that is equals to 1 minus 1, and we will take LCM of 4 and 2, that is equals to 4. So 1 plus 2. Okay, because 4 is divisible by 2 times. So 2 into 1, that is equals to 2. Now plus 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0. So we get 5 upon 4 in our numerator. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3 upon 4. 5 upon 4 plus divided by 3 upon 4. So students, we can write this 4 upon 3. Okay, so when we solve this, we get 5 upon 3. So this is our answer, 5 upon 3. Students, you can see that we have to know the values of these 6 trigonometric ratios according to their angles, and then we can find our answer easily. Now we will do our next question, that is question number 10 of your book. We have to find value of 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Students, for this firstly here we have to value of tan 30, and value of tan 30 is equals to 1 upon square root of 3. This is tan 30. Okay, so when we put value of tan 30, then we get 2 into 1 upon root 3 upon 1 minus square root of 1 upon root 3. Okay, that is equals to 2 upon root 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3, because square of 1 upon root 3 is 1 upon 3. Now 2 upon root 3, we will take LCM 1 and of 3, that is equals to 3. Then 3 minus 1. Okay, So 2 upon root 3 upon 2 upon 3. 2 upon root 3 divided by 2 upon 3. Students, when we solve this, we get 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 2. Okay. So 2 is cancelled by 2 and 3 upon root 3. Students, we can write 3 as root 3 into root 3. This is equals to 3 because square of root 3 is equals to 3 upon square root of 3. So root 3 is cancelled by root 3. Then we get our answer square root of 3. Now question number 11 of your book. Students, this is the question, find the value of x. In this question we have to find the value of x. This is given that sin 2x is equals to sin 60 into cos 30 minus cos 60 into sin 30. For this, what is the value of sin 60? Value of sin 60 is square root of 3 by 2. Now value of cos 30. Students, we know that value of cos 30 is equals to value of sin 60. And now value of cos 60, that is equals to 1 by 2. And value of sin 30, that is equals to 1 by 2. Because sin 30 is equals to cos 60 and cos 30 is equals to sin 60. Now we will put all these values. LHS will remain same. Sin 2x is equals to sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus cos 60 1 by 2 multiply by sin 30, that is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. So sin 2x is equals to when we multiply root 3 by root 3, then we get 3 and 2 multiply by 2, that is equals to 4 minus 1 multiply by 1, 1, 2 multiply by 2, 4. Okay. So that is equals to 4, 3 minus 1, 2 upon 4, and that is equals to 1 by 2. It means sin 2x is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Sin 2x is equals to 1 by 2. Now students, remember the table. Then for which angle value of sin is equals to 1 by 2? That is equals to 30 degree. Sin 30 degree equals to 1 by 2. So can we write sin 2x is equals to sin 30, because value of sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equals to sin 30. Okay. Now it means 2x is equals to 30 degree. This angle 2x is equals to this angle 30. So x is equals to 30 degree upon 2, and that is equals to 15 degree. Students, here you can solve easily. Now remember that sin 2x is equals to 1 by 2. Remember the table. Then we will find that value of sin 30, that is equals to 1 by 2, because here in this left hand side sin 2x, so here trigonometric ratio sin is used, so we will find this value for sin. So we know that sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2, so we can put sin 30 on the place of 1 by 2. So sin 2x is equals to sin 30. It means this angle 2x is equals to sin 30. So x is equals to 30 upon 2 is equals to 15 degree. Now this is question number 16 of your book. We have to prove that this left hand side is equals to this right hand side. So we will put values of these angles. Students, sin 60, what is the value of sin 60? That is equals to square root of 3 by 2. And what is the value of sin 30? That is equals to 1 by 2. In left hand side we have to know the values of sin 30 and sin 60 only. Now for right hand side, value of tan 60 degree, that is equals to square root of 3. Okay. And value of tan 45 degree, that is equals to 1. Okay. Now we will put all these values. Firstly we will solve our left hand side. So this is our left hand side, sin 60 plus sin 30 upon sin 60 minus sin 30. So value of sine 60, square root of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, square root of 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So LCM is equals to 2, root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1. When we take LCM of 2 and 2, that is equals to 2. So root 3 minus 1. So this is equals to root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now we will solve RHS. Tan 60. Value of tan 60 is equals to root 3 plus tan 45 1. Value of tan 60, that is equals to root 3, and tan 45, that is equals to 1. It means this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So this is equals to this. Okay. Now next question, question number 21 of your book. If A is equals to 60 degree and B is equals to 30 degree, then prove that. Okay. A is equals to 60 degree, it means cot 60 degree, cot B is equals to 30 degree, cot 30 degree. Okay. So what is the value of cot 60 degree? Value of cot 60 degree is equals to 1 upon root 3, and value of cot 30 degree, that is equals to root 3. When I put values of A and B, then I get 60 cot 60 degree minus cot 30 degree. Okay, is equals to cot 60 degree cot 30 degree plus 1. Okay, cot 30 degree minus cot 60 degree. Now we have to prove that this is equals to this. So cot 60 minus 30, that is equals to cot 30. Cot 60 degree cot 30 degree plus 1 upon cot 30 degree minus cot 60 degree. So what is our left hand side? Our left hand side is equals to cot 30 degree, and what is the value of cot 30? That is equals to root 3. Now we will take our RHS, and that is equals to cot 60 into cot 30 plus 1 upon cot 30 minus cot 60. So what is the value of cot 60? That is equals to 1 upon root 3 multiply by cot 30, root 3 plus 1. Okay. Now value of cot 30, root 3 minus value of cot 60, that is equals to 1 upon root 3. Now we will solve this. Then we get 1 into root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. This is your numerator, and for denominator we can write square root of 3 as square root of 3 upon 1. Now when we take LCM, then we get root 3. So this is equals to, when we multiply root 3 by root 3, then we get 3 minus 1. Okay. So root 3 upon root 3, that is equals to 1 plus 1. This is our numerator, and for denominator 3 minus 1, 2 upon root 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 upon root 3. Now 2 into root 3 upon 2. So 2 is cancelled by 2. Then our right hand side is equals to square root of 3. So this is equals to our left hand side. So this cot A minus B is equals to cot A into cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. For A is equals to 60 and B is equals to 30. Okay students. So this is your exercise 6.1. Now you can solve your exercise easily. Students, if you face any problem in this exercise, then you can ask me.